Welcome to the topic on interceptors for modifying HTTP requests and responses. Interceptors play a vital role in handling HTTP requests and responses in Angular applications. In this topic, we'll explore how to use interceptors to seamlessly modify HTTP requests and responses, enabling us to perform tasks like adding headers, handling authentication, and centralizing error handling. 1. Introduction to interceptors. Interceptors are Angular services that act as middleware, intercepting outgoing HTTP requests and incoming responses. They provide a centralized mechanism to pre-process requests and post-process responses before they reach the server or the client. To create an HTTP interceptor, we need to implement the Interceptor interface and define our custom logic in the intercept method. The intercept method allows us to intercept HTTP requests and responses and modify them as needed. 3. Registering the interceptor. To make the interceptor work globally, we need to register it with the Angular HTTP Interceptors provider in the app module. 4. Modifying HTTP requests. Interceptors can be used to modify HTTP requests before they are sent to the server. We can add headers, authentication tokens, or handle CRF tokens in this stage. 5. Handling HTTP responses. Interceptors can also be used to handle HTTP responses globally. We can pre-process responses, extract data, or handle errors in a centralized manner. Summary: interceptors in Angular provide a powerful mechanism to intercept and modify HTTP requests and responses globally. They allow us to add custom logic to pre-process requests, post-process responses, handle errors, and perform other operations consistently across the application. In this topic, we learned how to create and register an HTTP interceptor, modify HTTP requests, and handle HTTP responses using Angular interceptors. By effectively using interceptors, you can streamline HTTP requests and responses in your Angular applications and implement centralized logic for better maintainability.